Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by powering off and removing cables so nothing moves while you work. Place the headset on a soft cloth to protect the finish. Next, peel the outer rim of the ear pad gently. You'll feel the adhesive and plastic lip. Use a small Phillips to remove any visible screws under the pad if present. Once the pad edge is free, pull straight outward to detach the cushion from the plastic housing, making sure to keep track of any small clips or adhesive strips. Now focus on the inner components. Remove the foam insert and separate any fabric liners. You want a clean mating surface, so scrape off residual adhesive gently and use a plastic pry tool to depress clip tabs without breaking them. Once clips are freed, lift the plastic mounting ring away. Clean the rim with a 70% isopropyl swab to remove oils and lint. Let it dry completely. Make sure clip alignment is visible, so the new pad will seat in the exact orientation required. To install, align the new pad's plastic lip with the housing clips, starting at 12 o'clock, then work around the cup pressing firmly until every clip snaps into place. If you removed screws, reinstall them now to secure the ring. Check the seal and comfort by wearing the headphones briefly. Power on and play audio to confirm no muffled sound or rubbing. If the pad feels loose or audio is odd, reseat the pad, clean mating surfaces again, and ensure clips aren't bent. This fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.